Alrighty, we got ourselves a green over red signal down the other way from going back to Memphis. Well, Brewston, Tennessee. There's a train coming. I can hear thunder around the train track. Here she comes. Let's check it out. Alright, here she is. Oh, it's an auto rack train, looks like. Oh, brand new locomotive. Very nice, friendly train crew there. I got a horn salute from the locomotive engineer. Awesome. A friendly horn salute. Honk. I love it. And well, I hope you guys enjoyed there for this train video too. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Like always, and comment. Give me a thumbs up. Those are greatly appreciated. Until the next time, and then I guess I'll be signing out there. You guys have a blessed day. He was really motoring. He was really going fast. Cool. But again, he's going downhill. This is sweet. Peace out, guys.